Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a way to boost your skin's radiance and fight puffiness or fine lines, Jade Rollers might just be the solution for you. These tools have been used in skincare routines for centuries, and today we'll be diving into the best Jade Rollers for radiant skin. Whether you're a beginner or a skincare enthusiast, there's a perfect Jade Roller for everyone. Let's get started with our top picks. Number 1. Baimei IcyMe Jade Roller and Gua Sha. The Baimei IcyMe Jade Roller and Gua Sha set is a premium choice that brings an element of luxury to your skincare routine. Made with 100% natural rose quartz, this set offers an exquisite cooling effect on the skin. The Jade Roller is designed with smooth round stones that glide easily over the face, reducing puffiness and stimulating blood flow, promoting a healthier complexion. The quality of the Baimei IcyMe Jade Roller and Gua Sha is impressive, with durable materials that ensure long-lasting use. The rose quartz stone is known for its cooling and soothing properties, which help reduce inflammation and encourage lymphatic drainage. This tool helps with more than just beauty. It can relieve stress and tension from your face and neck, contributing to overall relaxation. In terms of usability, this set is a breeze to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you're applying serums, oils, or moisturizers, the Baimei Jade Roller enhances absorption, making your skincare products more effective. Its design also makes it a great gift, adding an elegant touch to anyone's self-care regimen.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pact connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Plantifique Jade Roller and Gua Sha set. Plantifique's Jade Roller and Gua Sha set is another stellar choice for those seeking a natural skincare solution. This set features a genuine Jade Roller and Gua Sha tool made from real, high-quality jade stone, ensuring not only the aesthetic appeal, but also the effectiveness. The Jade Roller is incredibly smooth, offering a luxurious glide across the skin, which is great for reducing puffiness and dark circles around the eyes. The Gua Sha tool included in this set is designed for targeted facial massage, helping to lift and firm the skin. The set's design makes it an easy addition to your skincare routine, as the Jade Roller works well for general massaging, and the Gua Sha tool helps with more precise movements. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking to rejuvenate their skin while maintaining a relaxing self-care ritual. Number 3. Huefull Jade Roller and Gua Sha tools. The Huefull Jade Roller and Gua Sha tools offer a fantastic skincare experience at an affordable price point. This set includes both a Jade Roller and a Gua Sha tool, both made from 100% authentic jade stone. The Jade Roller has a smooth, cooling effect, which helps to ease tension in the skin, improve circulation, and reduce the appearance of puffiness, especially around the eyes and forehead. It glides smoothly over the skin, and its ergonomic design ensures comfort during use. The Gua Sha tool, with its carefully crafted edges, is designed to target the contours of your face, allowing for more defined cheekbones and jawline. It can also be used to massage the neck and shoulders, offering a holistic approach to skincare that extends beyond just the face. The combination of the Jade Roller and Gua Sha tool provides a comprehensive solution for a radiant, glowing complexion. The quality of the Huefull Jade Roller and Gua Sha tools is noteworthy, as the jade stone used in these tools is durable and well-made, ensuring that they will stand the test of time. The tools are lightweight and easy to handle, making them a great option for beginners. Whether you're using it on its own or in combination with your favorite skincare products, this set is effective in promoting healthier, more youthful-looking skin. Number 4. Kimkoo Jade Roller and Gua Sha Kit. Kimkoo's Jade Roller and Gua Sha kit is a comprehensive beauty tool set that includes a Jade Roller, a Gua Sha tool, and a face massager, all made from 100% natural jade stone. This set is a great addition for those who want a more thorough approach to skincare. The Jade Roller is crafted to offer a smooth, cooling massage that helps with lymphatic drainage, reducing puffiness, and improving circulation. Its ergonomic design fits perfectly in your hand, allowing for smooth and consistent strokes along the face and neck. The Gua Sha tool included is designed to provide a more intense facial massage, which helps to contour and lift the skin. Its unique shape allows you to target problem areas like the jawline and cheekbones with ease. The added face massager is great for relaxing tight muscles and relieving tension, helping you unwind after a long day. Kimkoo's tools are built with durability in mind. The jade stone is known for its lasting power, so you don't have to worry about wear and tear after a few uses. Whether you're looking to fight wrinkles, reduce puffiness, or simply enjoy a relaxing massage, this kit offers everything you need for radiant skin. Number 1. Crystal Lemon Natural Jade Roller, the Crystal. Lemon Natural Jade Roller is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a simple yet effective tool to enhance their skincare routine. Made from high-quality jade stone, this roller has a smooth and calming effect on the skin. It's perfect for reducing puffiness, especially around the eyes and forehead, and can be used on its own or in combination with other skincare products. The Jade Roller also helps with the absorption of your favorite serums or oils, ensuring that they penetrate deeper into the skin for maximum benefits. The quality of the Crystal Lemon Natural Jade Roller is impressive, as it's made from 100% authentic jade. The roller has a sturdy construction with a durable handle that makes it easy to hold and maneuver across your face. It's designed to provide gentle, soothing pressure on the skin, helping to improve circulation and promote collagen production. One of the standout features of this jade roller is its effectiveness in targeting signs of aging. By improving blood flow and lymphatic drainage, it helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. Whether you're looking to add a simple tool to your skincare routine or want a reliable option to fight puffiness, the Crystal Lemon Natural Jade Roller is a great choice. Number 6. Disemot Jade Roller and Gua Sha Tools. Disemot's Jade Roller and Gua Sha Tools set is an excellent choice for those looking to rejuvenate their skin with a natural approach. The Jade Roller is made from 100% authentic jade, providing a cool, soothing sensation as it glides across the skin. It's effective in improving circulation, reducing puffiness, and promoting a more youthful appearance. The design of the roller ensures an even application of pressure, making it ideal for massaging the face, neck, and under-eye area. The Gua Sha tool in this set is designed to provide a deeper massage, targeting specific areas of tension and promoting lymphatic drainage. It's perfect for lifting and sculpting the face, reducing the appearance of fine lines, and improving skin texture. The combination of the roller and Gua Sha tool allows for a full facial massage that promotes relaxation and healthy skin. The Disemot Jade Roller and Gua Sha tool set is crafted with durability in mind. This set is perfect for anyone who wants to enhance their skincare routine and enjoy a soothing, rejuvenating massage at the same time. Number 7. Zen Plus Origin Jade Roller and Gua Sha Set. The Zen Plus Origin Jade Roller and Gua Sha set is a luxurious skincare tool that offers both relaxation and beauty benefits. Made from 100% natural jade stone, this set includes both a jade roller and a Gua Sha tool, each designed to target different areas of the face and neck. The jade roller helps reduce puffiness, smooth fine lines, and improve blood flow, while the Gua Sha tool provides a more targeted approach for sculpting and contouring the face. The quality of the Zen Plus Origin Jade Roller and Gua Sha set is outstanding, with durable jade stone that promises long-lasting use. The jade roller is smooth and glides easily over the skin, while the Gua Sha tool offers a deeper massage for a more sculpted look. With regular use, this set can help promote a radiant complexion by stimulating collagen production and enhancing the effectiveness of your skincare products. Whether you're looking to relieve stress, reduce puffiness, or simply enjoy a relaxing facial massage, the Zen Plus Origin Jade Roller and Gua Sha set is an excellent choice for achieving radiant skin. That wraps up our list of the best jade rollers for radiant skin. Each of these tools offers unique benefits, from reducing puffiness to promoting better absorption of your skincare products. With the right jade roller in hand, you can boost circulation, reduce fine lines, and enjoy a glowing, youthful complexion. Thanks for watching.